कई बार ऐसा होता है कि बिना नोटिस के अपने घर गेस्ट आने की न्यूज़ आती है. Hello Maria, I have some few of my friends coming home. I'm coming a bit late, but cook something because they'll all stay for dinner. I know they're all vegetarian. So in my fridge, I always have a little paneer, a little cream, and of course you have the usual, suspects, all our spices and everything. But today what I also have in my fridge is a little strawberry syrup. Why not make something sweet, something spicy? So today I'm going to make strawberry chili marinated cottage cheese tikkas. So let's get started. Put chili, a little salt, a little pepper, some chili flakes, ginger garlic paste. I'm also going to put in some fresh coriander, some green chillies. मैंने इसमें अपने हिसाब से green chillies डाला है because I love spicy stuff. आप उतना ही तीखा करिए जितना आपको लाज़मी हो. Strawberry flavored syrup. Oil. Some cream. Now I'm going to mix this up really well. So into this dish, I'm going to drizzle a little oil for my paneer. And now coat each and every piece of paneer with this marinade. In Thailand, you get flavors like this. Salty, a little bit hot, and it's also sweet. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm just going to add a little chili flakes. Drizzle it again with olive oil. Bake this in a preheated oven at about 200 to 225 degrees for about 5 to 7 minutes. So here it is, lovely strawberry chili paneer tikkas. Most of the time when people come home for dinner, they love tiny bites. So this is a lovely vegetarian meal on its own. Fresh coriander, just sprinkle on it, and it's ready to be served. So if you want to know how to make this, please take a look at the recap and come right back.
To make your strawberry cottage cheese tikkas, in a clean bowl, add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, crushed black pepper to taste, add 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 to 3 teaspoon garlic ginger paste, a few sprigs fresh chopped coriander, 3 to 4 chopped green chillies, add 100 ml strawberry flavored syrup, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, and 50 ml fresh cream. Mix it all together. Drizzle 1 tablespoon vegetable oil in a tray and place 350 grams of marinated paneer cubes in the tray. Drizzle 1 teaspoon olive oil and add 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Bake it in a preheated oven at 200 to 225 degrees Celsius for 5 to 7 minutes. Take it out of the oven and garnish it with freshly chopped coriander. Your cottage cheese tikkas are ready.